Thank you for joining me today as I stand before you to deliver this presentation on scopes of different fields of civil engineering. It is an honor and a privilege to have this opportunity to share my thoughts and insights with all of you. Today, we will explore the scopes and key aspects of different fields within civil engineering. So, let's begin. I am Faizan Khan. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in second semester of computer science engineering branch and the sub branch which is data science. Come on, let's dive into the topic introduction to the civil engineering, and we will begin with the engineering and we will begin with the definition of engineering. Engineering is the designing, testing and building of machine structures and process using maths and science. Means here the concepts are including which comes under maths and science to process and develop some structures or buildings of machines, building machines and etc. So next, what is civil engineering? We have to begin with knowing the meaning of civil engineering, that it is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical built environment such as road, bridges, dams, airports, sewage systems and railways. Means here it's not only about constructing, it's also including about maintenance of the physical built environment. So let's dive inside into this topic. The scopes of different fields of civil engineering. There are many scopes, so let's discuss them each and go in particular after. So, first one, surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulic and water resource, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, and earthquake engineering and remote sensing and GIS. So, let's begin with the first topic. See, that is surveying. Okay, that is surveying. Surveying. Civil engineers, they do land surveying typically, which involves a measurement of horizontal and vertical distances between points. Means that they require all the distances so that they could construct the structures very perfectly. So it also includes description of the exact characteristics of the land and structure and surface. Means here it should not vary, it should be perfect, and it should not be neglected within some values also, they should be exact. And the instruments which they use for surveying are chain, tape, compass, auto level, theodolite, total station, drones. With the help of these instruments, the process of surveying becomes very easy. So they make it very quicker. And so let's go into the types of surveying. So types of surveying, they are classified into two types. First one is the plane surveying and second one is a geodetic survey. The first one, plane surveying. In this plane surveying, surveying which includes the effect of curvature of the surface of the earth is not taken into account. Means the effect of curvature, means the curvature of the earth surface is not taken into its consideration. Means it is adapted only for plane surveying is adapted only for small areas, and the degree of accuracy of plane survey is relatively low. Means here it is not including very big areas, and its precision is very less. Now next one, geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, the curvature of the earth's surface is taken into account. Means here they are not neglecting the surface curvature, and they are including it into its process of surveying. Geodetic surveying are carried out for large distances and areas with a high degree of precision. Means here it is exact. Means it's not getting neglected, and small details are being included in this topic. In India, Survey of India, a government department, undertakes the work of geodetic surveying. Means the Indian map which is we got, it is with the help of the geodetic surveying. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is structural engineering. Structural engineering means before building a structure or buildings or bridges or any other structures, it should be analyzed and designed to decide about its size to resist the possible forces coming on it. Means the forces which are exerted by the structures which are in the building may affect its may affect its design. So, structural engineers have to decide everything by studying structural dynamics, mathematical techniques, all these aspects of analysis and design which fall under structural engineering field. So, next one, hydraulics, hydraulic water resource and irrigation engineering. Hydraulics, it is a mechanical function that operates through the force of liquid pressure. Means here they are including the flow of water and its pressure. Okay, next one, water resource. Water resource means water resource engineering means fulfilling requirements of water for domestic purposes like washing or other domestic purposes, industries, and finding more resources. It is taken care by resource engineering, water resource engineering. Okay, next one, supplying the stored water from the reservoir to agricultural field is taken care by various methods by the help of irrigation engineering. Irrigation engineering which makes farmers grow crops very easily with the help of various methods. Okay, next one, transportation engineering. Transportation engineering, as everyone know that it's transportation is very important in our day-to-day life. As we travel daily, the traffics which we face daily is more because of the increasing number of the vehicles. So transportation engineers conduct research, enhance traffic management, and create new modes of transportation. They strive to provide efficient, secure, quick, pleasant, economical convenience and a flow of goods and individuals in a way that is very environmental friendly and which may not cause any problems to the people in the to the people during transportation. Okay, next one, geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering, in these experts, he is about to analyze the soil and mineral condition to determine the viability and sustainability proposed building structures or mining site. Means here the geotechnical engineers, they study particularly about the soil and gain data about its properties because the properties of the soil vary from season to season and place to place. So to access the integrity of the soil or ground, geotechnical engineers mostly work in the development and planning stages before the start of construction. Means their work begins before the construction because the foundation is which is very important for the construction of any structure is done with the help of this data. Okay, next one, environmental engineering. Which one is important aspect? Which one is important aspect? Environmental engineering look after the environment and keep humanity from vanishing. Nowadays, humans they cut trees and destroy forests for their selfish ideals. But whereas environmental engineers they examine the concerns, particularly the environmental ones, and work to come up with a solution. Means they are not only finding the problems of environmental but they are also finding solution to it. Okay, next one, conclusion. Now we can conclude this topic, the scope of civil engineer, that it is a vast in India. In India, there are plenty of opportunities for civil engineers. The government is investing heavily in infrastructure development and there is a lot of work to be done. Civil engineers can find jobs in both public and private. In both the sectors, they can pursue careers in research also. Thank you. Goodbye.